But the real question is, can it wheelie? What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. I'm here again with the Luna Eclipse folding electric bike, and I wanted to give you guys a real-world range test today. I have to pick up a bike lock for this thing, so I was going to ride up to my local Walmart, which is about 1.5 miles away, and show you guys some of the top speeds on each pedal assist mode and talk about the suspension. So if that interests you, stick around for the video. Alright, so let's talk about the front suspension real quick. So on the right hand side, you got a LC lockout. I'm not sure what this is, but this controls the travel of the fork. So if you want it super locked out and you don't want any travel, all the way this way. And if you need some cushion and you're riding over some sketchy terrain, I've found that about halfway is pretty good cushion, but if you want something more cushy, all the way over. All right, and on this side we got the preload. I don't really know what this is, so if you guys know, leave it down in the comments below. Still pretty new to all this stuff. And as for the rear suspension, I received a question in one of my last videos asking me if it was too squishy, and the answer is no. It's also fully adjustable, I believe, from what it looks like. So if it's too squishy or too stiff, just adjust it. And with all that being said, we're gonna start the commute now up to the store, and I'm gonna take you guys through the pedal assist modes. But before I do that, let me give you a quick battery check, show you guys where we're at. Got a full battery and no miles on it, so. All right, so this is me pedaling easily with no assist, and we're going 10, 11 miles an hour. All right, so let's crank it up to pedal assist 1 and see what happens. The motor did kick in, and the pedaling just got a little bit easier, ever so slightly. And we're going at a solid 11.5 or so miles an hour with little to no effort. All right, mode 1's pretty decent, but let's crank it up to mode 2, see what we got. You can see the power jumped a little bit on that left side, and it really just makes it easier to pedal. It's still up to you to really gain the speed until you use the throttle. Let's see mode 3. Mode 3 is where you're gonna get real, actual speed assistance. My legs are moving very consistently. It's a pretty good burn, and we're going 17. Now, if you watched any of my last videos, I said mode 4 and 5 are pretty much useless because you might as well be using the throttle alone. So here's mode 4. See, now my legs are moving way faster than I can really even keep up, and I'm going 22. All right, let's bump it up to mode 5. Oh yeah. All right, so as you guys can see, those are the pedal assist modes and the top speeds that you can reach in each one. Modes 4 and 5 are pretty much useless. You might as well be using the throttle because your legs are moving way faster than you can even pedal. But so far, pretty solid bike. All right, let's get to the store and get this bike lock. right, so your commute on this thing is not going to be like a motorcycle. You're not going to be going, you know, over 30 miles an hour cruising, just opening the throttle, going as fast as you can. Like right now, I'm pedaling in mode 2 and I'm only going 14, 15 miles an hour, just cruising. Free travel. All right, so we are on our way back already. We got the bike lock and a little battery update for you. We haven't even used a third of the battery, and that's me riding it any way I want. Full throttle, pedal assist, whatever. All right, so final check on the battery and the range. This is the distance that we traveled, 10.9 miles. Took about 41 minutes, and this is how much battery we used. My average speed was 15 miles an hour. Max speed was 27, and that's it. All right, so I hope this gave you guys a good idea of what you can expect from the range out of this thing. It's still got plenty of battery. I can go do that commute at least another couple of times, probably there and back, before I have to charge. But the real question is, can it wheelie?
It can. Oh.
All right, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you got a sense for what the range is on this bike and what it has to offer. If you did like the video, go ahead and leave me a like. I really appreciate it. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below for me. I will get back to you. I promise I reply to every comment. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.